Hey everybody, it's Michelangelo Caruso and
The redhead.
Renée Caruso. We want to give you a quick inside out, back and forth on some strategies for having a better life. As you know, Renée helps with nutrition and wellness and feeling good, and I teach presentation skills, communication, and relationships. I can get us started if that's all right with you.
Sure.
Yeah, so the first tip I have for you is something called sustained eye contact. Most people today, we glance at people quickly and then we look away. You see this with certain types of people, certain cultures. It's always better to hang in there like a second and a half longer if you want to establish relationship and rapport with people.
One of the most important tips I can give you about taking care of yourself on a daily basis is do not skip breakfast. It really is the most important meal of the day. It sets your metabolism. It helps stabilize insulin. It's very important. It should be protein heavy, not carbohydrate heavy.
And breakfast is good. I like this idea. How about this? How about the idea of over-communicating versus under-communicating? Now, no one would ever say, get up in the morning and say, I want to under-communicate some more today. But when you over-communicate, you're dotting your I's, you're crossing your T's, you're more likely to eliminate or mitigate misunderstandings. Better to over-communicate than under-communicate.
I totally agree with that. My second tip for you is find some way to exercise or increase your movement every single day. Even if you don't feel like it. Now, if you're sick, that's different. But if you're just sitting on the couch, the days are getting longer, get off the couch, get out of your chair and move. Even 20 minutes after dinner is huge in terms of how much it improves your digestion, which increases your body's ability to focus on what it needs to do during the middle of the night, which is repair, rejuvenate, and restore.
The Italians have a name for the after the dinner walk. It's called the passeggiata. I think that's how it's pronounced, but it's walking after dinner. It moves the food. It's exactly what the redhead said. My third and final tip, I think everything is a presentation, and I think if you can motivate and mobilize groups of people by commanding the front of the room, everything goes better for you. Your career improves, your personal brand improves, you're more likely to get promoted. And this is not an easy thing to figure out. I recommend coaching. Of course, I can help you with it. Michelangelocaruso.com.
And my third and final thing is if you have been struggling with extra weight for more than 12 months, please stop struggling. Reach out to somebody like myself to see what else is going on that is creating this extra weight gain and storage, because this is about metabolism not moving efficiently, and it's not that hard to shift. But if it's been 12 months and you're struggling, stop struggling. Just reach out, reneecaruso.life, and I'd love to help you feel better.
That's our Inside Out segment for today. We'll see you online and in person. Good luck, everybody.